Environment means everything that surrounds us and affects our life. It includes both living things such as humans, animals, plants and microorganisms, and non-living things such as air, water, land, sunlight and climate. Human life depends completely on a healthy environment because it provides clean air to breathe, safe water to drink, fertile soil for farming and natural resources for development. Therefore, protecting the environment is necessary for the survival of present and future generations. Sources and kinds of environmental pollution. Environmental pollution means the contamination of air, water, land or the surroundings by harmful substances, making them unsafe for living beings. 1. Air pollution. Air pollution occurs when harmful gases, smoke and dust mix with the air. Sources: vehicle exhaust, factories, burning of coal, crop residue burning, construction work and firecrackers. Effects: breathing problems, asthma, heart diseases, acid rain and global warming. 2. Water pollution. Water pollution occurs when rivers, lakes, ponds and groundwater become contaminated. Sources: industrial waste, untreated sewage, plastic waste, chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Effects: unsafe drinking water, spread of diseases, death of aquatic animals and shortage of clean water. 3. Soil, land pollution. Soil pollution happens when harmful chemicals and wastes reduce the fertility of land. Sources: plastic waste, industrial waste, excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides, mining and dumping of garbage. Effects: reduced agricultural productivity, contamination of food and health problems. 4. Noise pollution. Noise pollution refers to excessive and unwanted sound. Sources: loudspeakers, traffic, factories, construction work and fireworks. Effects: stress, hearing loss, sleep disturbance and poor concentration. 5. Thermal and radioactive pollution. Thermal pollution is caused by the discharge of hot water from industries into rivers. Radioactive pollution is caused by nuclear waste and radiation leaks. Effects: damage to aquatic life, health disorders and environmental hazards. Causes of the enormity of environmental degradation in India. Environmental degradation means the gradual destruction of the environment due to human activities. The major causes in India are: rapid population growth. More people require more land, water, food and energy, increasing pressure on natural resources. Industrialization. Industries release smoke, chemicals and untreated waste into the environment. Urbanization. Expansion of cities leads to deforestation, traffic congestion and increased waste generation. Deforestation. Forests are cut for agriculture, roads, mining and construction, reducing biodiversity and increasing climate change. Excessive use of natural resources, overuse of groundwater, forests, minerals and fossil fuels disturbs ecological balance. Agricultural chemicals, excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides pollutes soil and water. Improper waste management, plastic waste, electronic waste and untreated sewage pollute land and water. Lack of environmental awareness. Many people are unaware of eco-friendly practices and continue polluting the environment. Weak implementation of environmental laws. Although India has environmental laws, poor enforcement sometimes allows pollution to continue. Climate change, rising temperatures, irregular rainfall, floods and droughts further damage the environment. Case study: Bhopal gas tragedy, 1984. One of the most serious environmental disasters in India was the Bhopal gas tragedy. On the night of 2 to 3 December 1984, poisonous methyl isocyanate (MIC) gas leaked from the Union Carbide pesticide factory in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Thousands of people died within a short time, and many more suffered from breathing problems, eye damage and long-term diseases. The surrounding soil and water were also polluted. Simple lesson from the case study. Industries must follow strict safety rules, hazardous chemicals should be handled carefully, and governments must regularly inspect factories. Public awareness and emergency preparedness can save many lives. Conclusion. The environment is our life support system. Pollution and environmental degradation threaten human health, wildlife and sustainable development. Every citizen should plant trees, save water, reduce plastic use, properly dispose of waste and use natural resources wisely. Government, industries and citizens must work together to protect the environment for future generations.